Hi everyone, today I'll be showcasing how I make goat meat pepper soup. I put some water in a pot and added my goat meat cubes. I'm using skinless goat meat. You can use the one with skin depending on what you find at your local store. I went in with chopped onions, scotch bonnet, pepper soup spice, Cameroon pepper, and ground uziza seed. Uziza seed has slight bitter taste, so I only used a little amount to enhance the pepper soup taste. I added seasoning cubes and all-purpose seasoning. I covered the pot and allowed it to boil. Added salt to taste. After allowing it boil for about 20 minutes, I gave it a good stir and tasted it for seasoning. I wanted it more spicy, so I added extra Cameroon pepper. Please don't judge me. You can use less or more pepper, depending on your preference. I covered it and allowed it boil for another 5 minutes, then added frozen chopped basil, which is a substitute for scent leaf. It gives the same vibes. I allowed it cook for about a minute. Our pepper soup is ready. I'll be serving it now. Please bring your plate if you're interested. We are cheerful givers. Here's our pepper soup, looking hot, spicy, and delicious. Thank you for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.